having a pool water temperature sensor malfunctioning can totally mess with your swim plans, so knowing how to spot and fix it fast is clutch. Okay, so first off, if your pool thermometer is acting all weird or just not showing the right temp, that sensor's probably toast. Start by checking if the sensor's clean. Sometimes gunk or algae buildup can throw it off. If cleaning doesn't do the trick, you gotta test the sensor with a multimeter to see if it's actually broken. When you decide to replace it, make sure you get the exact model that matches your pool system, because compatibility is key. Turn off all power to the pool equipment before messing with the sensor to avoid any shocks or damage. Carefully unplug the old sensor and swap in the new one, then seal everything tight so water doesn't sneak in and cause more problems. After replacing, run your pool system and watch the temperature readings closely to make sure the new sensor is working right. If the readings are still funky, you might want to call a pro because it could be a bigger wiring or control board issue. One of the biggest issues with a pool water temperature sensor malfunctioning is ignoring early warning signs like fluctuating temps or no reading at all. Fix this by monitoring your pool regularly and acting fast. Another common mistake is buying the wrong replacement sensor, which won't fit or work properly. Always check your pool's manual or ask an expert before ordering. Lastly, not turning off power before trying to replace that sensor can lead to electric shock or damage. Always switch off power and double check before handling any parts. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients, making it easier for them to get steady work and grow their business.